Indices has showed a very good bullish momentum since yesterday, whether be it FTSE 100, whether be it DAX or NASDAQ 100 or Dow Jones. All the four, as we expected, as we predicted, has achieved higher highs for the. Now, what to expect today from DAX, FTSE 100, NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. Today, if you check the economic calendar, you will find there are three swing points which may definitely bring. Is the first is the data coming in from Germany, which is the CPI data, and definitely it is going to bring volatility in DAX. And then later in the day, we have the PPI data coming in from US, that is also going to bring more volatility into market. This is just 1 hour before the US session. Definitely it will bring volatility. And towards the end of the day, we have the most important, that is the FOMC minutes, which everybody would be waiting for. So these three key points definitely will bring a swing to the markets, and you can get all the live economic calendar, all the market related data in my platform forexfunda.com. Here you can get economic calendar where all the data are available live. At the same time, you can analyze the charts, you can search any instrument, be it equity, be it commodity, be it markets, anything. You can just search and you can put your indicators, do the analysis of the charts. You can also have a live discussion forums where you can discuss anything and everything, and you can also initiate your own discussion here. So yes, you can visit the site forexfunda.com. This is my own platform which is built with the vision to give you one-stop solution for all your trading related needs. You will find me as an expert there. You can schedule a call with me, and there are much more to it. Just visit forexfunda.com. With that, let's start. First, we'll look into Germany 40, followed with FTSE 100, then NASDAQ 100, and in the end, Dow Jones. And yes, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, share, subscribe, and comment is a great support motivation. The next update on US indices will be released before the US session and the PPI data. Watch that as well. Now look at the hourly charts. Moving averages trading with divergence. See, after consolidation, one breakout after, and this is again consolidating. So I will wait for the breakout here. Any move beyond 15,450 will take it to 15,500. Now 15,500 is a very good resistance level. Yes, it can form a double top before reversing. There is a strong probability to it, but 15,500 definitely is a great resistance. The stochastic is rising here. The MACD has crossed over. See, waves are getting created. It is initiated sell part here. It can continue on the downside from here. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, looking. Moving averages just crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness. Also, if you look at the consolidation is undergoing here, and you will find, look at the candles here. The downside, it is getting very good support. First at around 15,380 and then 350. These two are very strong support zones. Also, one must note that there is too much of divergence from the 20 period moving average, and hence prices might try to converge a bit here. The stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD willing to cross over for sell. It has not yet crossed over. RSI near to top. Coming to similar observation, moving average is just crossing over, sitting at around 15,200, 250 zone, which is going to give it a very good. And here is the 20 and 50 crossover, 20 and 100 period crossover as well. So this zone is completely between 200 and 300, is a very good support zone for DAX for the day. Yes, prices might try to converge at 300, but then a possibility of a bounce back will be equally strong. Right now, if you look at 3-hour charts, it is just consolidating, and a breakout is what you should wait for. Any move, in fact, I will recommend you to buy at 15,420 itself, then wait for 15,450 as the first target, and then 15,500 will be seen. At the same time, on the downside, wait for 15,380 itself. Below that, you can sell for 350 and then 300 levels. The stochastic has dropped here. MACD is trading with extreme divergence. It should try to converge, and hence a little bearishness. Now see, the wave here, it has seen the second rise. It can try to continue on the downside from here. Possibility exists. RSI very near to the top, coming to 4. Now look at 4-hour charts. Moving averages crossing over here at 15,250 and 350 levels here. The 100 period is at 350. So this is a very good support zone. If you look at 4-hour charts, it has formed a base and a reversal from here. If it stays above 15,420, buy for 15,450 and 500 levels. 500 is a great resistance. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily chart. See, look at the behavior here. Reversal sign, higher lows, bullishness increasing, and now it has seen the peak here. Now a wait for the breakout beyond 15,500. Remember, a rise beyond 15,500 should bring more bullish momentum, and then one can look forward to 15,600 as the ultimate resistance here. So this zone completely between 500 and 600 is going to be a key critical resistance level for DAX here. Stochastic rising, MACD has just crossed over, remember, just two candles away, so it can continue on the upside. RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 15,420 and sell at 15,380. And yes, if you are buying at 15,420, remember 450 and 500 are two major levels which it needs to break past by. Any move beyond 15,500, 520 zone should bring it to 15,600, the next major resistance and the first target. 15,600 is definitely an achievable and a greater resistance target. On the downside, you can sell here at 15,380, but then 350, 300 and 250, three major support levels. And only and only if you see DAX staying below 15,200, this is the level below which you can say that the bears have taken over, else it is going to be still considered as bullish here. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at FTSE. FTSE 100 stayed bullish. It has gone close to 7640, 7650 zone. It is retested here and now again trying to take the support from the 20 period moving average at 7600. With that as support, looking upwards, still showing signs of bullishness. Stochastic is rising. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. This crossover has come after scaling to the fresher highs. It can continue on the downside. RSI near to the top, coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, moving average is looking upwards. Prices might scale to the moon 7600, 7590 levels, or 7590, 7600. Definitely a good support here on the downside. And ultimately this is the support, because see 7540 was the support. It has given a breakout. Yesterday I asked you to stay long above 7550. Precisely, it has achieved the highs here. Now, moving average is crossing over, staying bullish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD willing to cross over for sell, while RSI is overbought, near to overbought levels. Coming to 3 hour chart, likewise on the 3 hour charts, moving average is looking upwards, showing strength there and is still staying bullish. Now 7550, which was the resistance, which was the breakout level, is now going to remain an extreme support, and hence if you see price is staying below 7595, 7590, you can sell, but then wait for 7580 very nearby. See, previously the resistances are now going to be the support. So 7580 is the first support and 7550 is the ultimate support. Any drop below 7550 will call for the bears out there. At the same time, on the upside, above 7635, you can buy. Remember, these were the earlier resistances, still remain the resistance here. Buy at 7635, expect 7650 as the first resistance, and then beyond that, more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic has dropped from the overbought levels. MACD is in green, trying to converge and cross over for sell, but it is still staying bullish. RSI overbought. Looking at 4 hour chart, similar observation, moving averages crossing over at 7550. This is going to remain a great support. Now let me show you something on the 4 hour chart. See, when it is bullish, what it has done, it has stayed outside Bollinger Bands. Look at the retracement candles. The candle size is hardly anything here, very small, and yet again it is showing a reversal. So once you see it staying above 7625 itself, you can buy. Expect 7640, 7660 levels as the next resistances. The stochastic overbought, trying to bring down a bit. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is flat near to top. Coming to the daily. Now this is important on the daily chart. See, after staying bearish, it is again looking upwards. This is the zone where it has maximum resistance. At the same time, right now it is yielding lower highs, and so it appears that FTSE 100 is mostly staying in the box here. See, from these levels, the rally has started. It has achieved the level here again. So 7400 to 7720, 7750. This is the zone which it is trying to trade within. And this suggests that possibly it can show you a little more bullishness and achieve the top of the box at 77, 7720 before retracing. Stochastic overbought. MACD. Now it is important. MACD is crossing over here for buy and it is showing good waves here. So a possible rise can be expected. RSI is rising too. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy FTSE 100 at 7625. Expect 7640. First target 7655 next. and then beyond that we are looking forward to 7680, 7720 zone, which is going to be the achievable target and a greater resistance. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 7595, but then wait for it to break past 7580, 7575 levels, and then only bearishness is only and only if it stays below 7550 levels. As long as 7550 is respected, we are not going to treat FTSE 100 as bearish. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. And before we proceed, if you appreciate the effort, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. And you can join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 16th of October. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, first, let's have a look at Tech 100 on the hourly charts. And yes, do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. The next update is also going to release before the US session and before the US PPI data. Thus, watch that as well. Press the bell icon, join my free Telegram channel for more. Now, look at the hourly charts for Tech 100. See the rise here. Consolidation waited for the 20 period moving average to achieve the rise here, then retracement and waited for the 20 period moving average to get achieved. Thus, we have to wait for 15100 levels for it to break, and then only we can recommend a sell entry. Now, what has happened here? See the drop, the retracement. Now, this is a clear cut retracement after the sharper drop here, and hence we have to trade with caution. In fact, you can sell here at 15140 itself. Once it breaks this channel, expect 120, 100 as the major support, and below 100 is where the bears will take over for 15050, 15050 and 20. These are the ultimate support levels for the Tech 100 on the downside. Now, right now it is very much staying bullish. I will still expect it to rise. If it stays over 15180, we may see double top levels at 15250. Stochastic rising. MACD is still bearish, trading with divergence. RSI is flat. Coming to two. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, see the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement. So yes, this is the where the support exists. Only and only if Tech 100 breaches below this zone, you can say that it is turned bearish, else it is still showing the signs of bullish momentum. Stochastic has dropped. Now see, MACD on the 2 hour charts has just crossed over. This crossover is though coming at a slightly higher levels. It does not mean that it cannot rise further. It can. However, right now it is trying to retrace. Stochastic coming out of the overbought levels. On if you look at on the 3 hour charts, see support, higher lows is what we can see, but this complete movement is going to remain engulfed between this red candle, and hence a drop will bring the bearishness there. It has to break the support levels on the downside. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is willing to converge crossover for sell. It is coming at a slightly higher levels. It does not mean that it cannot move further higher, but look at the waves. First wave, so second wave should come here and achieve the lows. RSI overbought. Coming to 4 hour charts, look at 4 hour charts. Swing candle here, higher lows here. See 15350, that is the top of this channel, 360 rather, and we have seen this channel giving it a very good resistance for US 100. Also, if you look at the movement, the retracement, consolidation, the breakout, then retracement, then breakout, then retracement, then breakout. It is still staying bullish, and higher lows are getting created with every move here. It is trying to trade in this channel, the top of the channel at around 15350, 360. The stochastic has retraced. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is flat near to top. Coming to the now on the daily chart, see the bullishness getting diminished here. That is important. Look at the candle size with every candle. Only this candle was a bullish one. Then this is the diminished candle size. Then it has shown a pullback, but showed a very good pullback here after the rise. Also look at this. It has come from the resistance levels precisely at 15240, 250, which is a greater resistance. Now today, though the candle has started flat, but there will be opportunity for the swing. I will recommend you to sell here at 15140, expect 15100 and 15050 levels. Achieving the lows again, it can show you good swings. Remember, there are a couple of data points today, the PPI data for US and the FOMC minutes. This will definitely bring volatility. Any rise above 15250 is where we are going to look at 300 and 360. Now, this is the top of the channel. This is also a resistance zone, and this is going to be the maximum resistance for Tech 100 for the day. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is rising. So looking at this, there will be a possibility of the swings. And I will say that 15,050, 15,000 levels are achievable, but these are still going to remain the levels from which the reversal can be expected. Yes, you can sell at 15,140, but then with a caution note that it can reverse any point of time as long as 15,000 levels are respected. In fact, 15,050 itself is a very, very good support level, and hence you have to trail your stop. On the upside, you can buy here at 15,180, but then 200, 240, and then 300, 350. These are major resistances which you should take care of. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. US30 on the early charts. Likewise, see if you look at the formation here, what it has done. The rise, the retracement towards 20 period, the rise, the consolidation towards 20 period, the rise, the consolidation towards 20 period. Now 20 period moving average consistently looking upwards. Also, if you look at the support levels on the downside, 33,720. Now, previously I have mentioned 33,700, 720 is resistance. Now it has become the support here. Also, I had mentioned one more point that beyond 33,800, I will look forward to 33,900 and 34,000 levels should get achieved here. Now, what it has done after achieving 33,900, it is retraced a little, trading with the support at 33,720, 700. This is very, very important. Any drop below 33,700 should bring little bearishness. Stochastic rising, MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI flat. Coming to 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts, moving average is looking upwards. Support is seen beyond 33,700, it is directly 33,600 and then 33,400. It is only below 33,600 where the bears will take over. Moving averages at around 33,600 and hence these are also achievable. Stochastic looking down, MACD crossing over for a sell. It may trade with slight bearishness. It is coming after a long time here and hence a little retracement on the downside can be expected. RSI very near to the top. Likewise on the moving average is just crossing over, trading with divergence, support at 33,600 and 400. Very strong support exists here. Stochastic dropped, MACD is still bullish. It is willing to converge crossover for sell. RSI is trading bullish here. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now look at 4-hour charts. See higher lows consistently seen, higher highs here. Trading with divergence and bullishness, thus only below 600 for the bearishness, and then we will look forward to 400 levels directly. On the upside, you can note this and this 33,900. How important is 33,900? It has completed the journey here. A V-shaped recovery is done and now waiting for more. Can it break past 33,900? That is the question. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is still divergent and bullish. RSI is near to top. Coming to the look at the daily charts here. See, body size is less than half of the complete move. This also makes 33,600, 550 as a 580 as a great support, and 900 definitely is a good resistance. Beyond 900, we are looking forward to 100 levels as the next resistance zone and are achievable levels as well. Stochastic rising to overbought, MACD just crossing over, trading with divergence, only 2 candles away. Third candle should be expected, and thus bullishness may prevail here. RSI is rising. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 33,760 levels, but then 33,800, 33,900 it has to break past by in order to confirm its move towards 34,050, 34,100. On the downside, you can sell here at 33,720 itself. Wait for 33,700 rather, and below that you can expect 33,600 as the first target. 33,600, 580 first support zone. Then we will look forward for it to directly hit 33,500 and 400 levels. More bearishness may prevail if it breaks below 33,400. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session updates. Was that as well.